All right, in this mini lesson, we are going to look at the Documents module in the backdoor access of the board member portal. If you are unsure how to get to this, then you can refer to one of our previous videos that we have on how to log in and basically a brief overview. So let's dive right in. Documents. The main thing this would be useful for board members is if you wanted to share various documents with your homeowners, or if you guys wanted to share various documents amongst yourselves. Let's I'm just going to pull one of our associations here. Now again, with all these modules, the first thing you're going to do is choose your association, and again, to reiterate, you're only going to have access to your particular association. But during implementation, there will be two document categories set up in your system. One is board financials and one is community documents. Let's imagine you wanted to add a flyer or a newsletter or something to your documents for your community to view. You can click on community documents, and it's as simple as going down here. You can drop the files here or you can browse them in your folder. Once you find the document and locate it, you just hit upload and it's ready to go. From this menu, you can edit the document. So if you needed to edit a title, you can edit what it's called, and then you can also examine how your documents are set up in your folders. So let's imagine you wanted to create another folder. You can actually create a folder up here by creating folder. Let's say this is board memos. Let's say board meetings, and we're going to post our minutes here. We want to do two things. Anything that's only going to be viewed by the board, we need to do two checks. We want to check the private box, and then we also want to check the board box. Now, anything posted within this folder under board meetings is only going to be visible by the board. The traditional homeowner won't have access to that. And let's say here you wanted to upload minutes for your meetings or various things. That would just be one example of how you could add a folder and utilize it as a board.